Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update errors on your PC using some quick and easy methods. If your updates are not installing or showing an error, these fixes can help you solve the problem fast. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Search for Troubleshoot and open Troubleshoot Settings. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Tap on Run. Now select the issue like I can't download or install updates. Click Yes to run the automatic fix. Wait for it to complete and then check if your issue is solved. If it still doesn't work, open the Start menu again. Search for Services and open it. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Properties. Make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. Also make sure Service Status is running. If it is stopped, click Start. Now click Apply and OK. Right-click on it again and click Restart. Now open the Start menu again. Search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Now type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command scans your system and fixes any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Wait for the scan to complete. Once done, restart your computer and try updating again. If the problem is still not fixed, there is one last option you can try. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Scroll down and tap on Update History. Now click on Recovery. Here you will see an option to fix problems using Windows Update. Tap on Reinstall Now and follow the steps. This will reinstall Windows Update files and can fix most issues. So this is how you can fix Windows Update errors on your PC. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.